This question asks us which function has the greatest slope. And they've actually made this pretty easy for us as long as you recognize that these are in slope-intercept form. All four of these functions are in slope-intercept form. And as a reminder, here's what slope-intercept form looks like. Y equals mx plus b, where m, the coefficient of x, represents the slope, and b is the y-intercept. And we're only interested in the slopes here. So we have a slope on A of 5/3. Here, let's just write this down. So on this one, the slope is 5/3. This one, the slope, the coefficient of x in this one, it says negative x. There's really a 1 there that's not written, so that's -1. This one, C, the slope is 3/4. And on D, the slope is 3/2. Okay, so now we just got to determine which one of those is the greatest. So B is obviously out because that's negative and the rest of these are positive. So I would change these into decimals if you're not sure which one's the greatest. If you do 5/3, let's see, you'd get 1 2/3, so you get 1.6 repeating if you change it to a decimal. 3/4 is, of course, 0.75 or 75 hundredths. And then 3/2, that would be 1 1/2 or 1.5. And again, we're looking for the greatest slope. So that would be N. So there you go. As long as you recognize this is in slope-intercept form, then this is actually a really easy question. If you don't know what slope-intercept form is, take the time to memorize that. It will serve you well. So keep it up. You're doing a great job. Soon you will master the math.